Hey, everybody out there. Welcome to another edition of the Damn Podcast or the Damn Video Cast or the Damn whatever you want to call it. But today, I am here with some titans of their industries. We have Spencer with Best Option Restoration. We have Nick with Advanced Garage Door. And we have Kel with North Star Heating and Air. We're all part of a networking group. It's a lot more than a networking group, but it's called Blue Collar Connect, where we're going through a strict vetting process. So only the best people are allowed in this group. And so if you're working with me, I have guys behind me that can help you out with anything else you may need. If you're working with Spencer, he has a team of people behind him that can help him out as well. And we kind of want to tell you guys more about Blue Collar Connect on this damn episode. One of the best things about being part of Blue Collar Connect is you are surrounded by pros who are industry leaders. Everything they do is elite, from their work ethic to the quality of their technicians to their customer service. So it's great to be around pros who elevate everything we do in our business so that we can help them elevate everything they do in their business.
Blue Collar Connect for me has been an excellent way to expand our networking, to brainstorm with other business owners, and to really get an education on a lot of different aspects that we currently just didn't have before. So highly recommend Blue Collar Connect, and we will be a member forever.
Well, Blue Collar Connect for me is a great way to give my customers more. If I go and do a job and there's something that we don't necessarily do, I've got a great team of guys to back us up, and they can go in and take care of the customer for us.
One of the biggest things that I take away from Blue Collar Connect is the educational value out of it. We do mini masterminds once a month. You can do a fly on the wall kind of deal and just sit and learn. And these guys, you think your problems are so specific to your industry, and they're not. They're not at all. So we are very, very tight knit, very close, and we love helping each other and helping you all out. And by the way, on the Damn Podcast, we are not just cussing. DAM stands for Denny's Auto Media Network, so this is child friendly.